to do here is show you how to add a custom field in OfficeClip. So you go to the contact first and then go to admin. And when you go to admin, you see one option here called custom fields. So click on custom fields and you can add a custom fields. In this one, I'm going to add a custom field called contact mode. Okay. And I want to make it a list type of field where you can select multiple options. And I probably want to show it in the list screen also, not a problem. And required field, I don't have to make it required right now. Allow new entry, don't need to make it. So I click on add here first, okay? So when I do an add here, a new custom field is created called contact mode. Now the contact mode, when you come back again to this one, say for example, I come back to custom field once more, I always see this contact mode which I just created. However, the list is empty now. I haven't put anything in. In order to put something, if you see there are two icons there. One icon is configure item, one icon is edit items. So the configure item, I go ahead and click on the configure item, and then I see the empty here. So add items here, I can say phone, and I can say in person, and I can say by email, okay? Email, add. Okay, now I've got these three fields here. Now I can leave it as it is and select whenever I add a new contact, or what I can do is I can make it a default one, okay? So that even if I forgot to do it, that will be the one, which depending on your need, which you may need it or you may not need, it's up to you, okay? So I click on save here. So everything is set up here now. If I want to see what is in the contact mode, I can always click on this one and see these three, or if I want to make some changes here, the name and everything, I click on the other one, which I just clicked on. I'll show you again. And I can see, now allow new entry, meaning that whenever you are in the contact screen, you can add one more also. If you suppose you forgot to add something there, you don't have to come back to this screen and you can do it from the contact screen also. So these are the various options. You can remove this field from here. Okay, so this is what I did was added a custom field. Now let's see how to add something there, okay, in the custom field. Now let me add a new contact here called Mary Jane, okay. So just a new contact, okay. Office Supplies, okay. The company name Office Supplies. Now I have selected this as a required, but you don't have to. Now if I see in the bottom here, you see the other information section, this got added here. Okay, so I actually contacted this person by phone. So I click on phone, I save it. So this is how you add a custom field in OfficeClip.
Okay.
Let me stop the